Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to post 3D photos on your Facebook. If your Facebook page is looking a bit dull, then why not jazz it up by adding 3D photos to your feed? I'm doing this on an Android phone, but it'll be the same on an iPhone. So let's open up Facebook app on your phone, then tap on What's on your mind at the top of your feed. Scroll down and find 3D photo. Tap on that. Then select a photo from your gallery. It will then process the photo and will give you a preview of how it will look. Add your descriptions about the photo, and when you're ready, tap on Post at the top right. Your 3D photo will then be posted on your Facebook feed. And that is how to post 3D photos on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for easy to follow tutorials on social media apps and tech. I'll see you in the next one.